Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Conedex.com. So Conedex.top is actually an online platform where you can buy different kind of decentralized money currency. The Bitcoin, the Ethereum, Litecoin, and many other platforms and the popular coins are available on this platform. So they do also have an investment calculator, and it provides with a lot of features. As you can see, they have claimed that they have a reliable asset protection, the privacy concerns, and the authorization, real-time monitoring of the graph, and even the safety above all. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, they have mentioned we are strongly backed by the buster. These are the different kind of most popular cryptocurrencies coins. So they do have availability of purchasing or selling these crypto coins. So this is a major green signal. But now let's see, as they have claimed that they have reviews on Trustpilot, which are really great. And so I tried to confirm this. As you can see, they have a 3.4 rating out of 5 star, which is a made slightly green signal, but it is actually only based on 2 reviews. So that raises concerns about the authenticity of this platform. And as just scrolled up, and you can see the person are given that it's a scam site. So I've tried to dive deeper and confirm this, and search for it on the Scam Advisor website. So it has a trust score of 1 out of 100. So this is a worst possible trust score. So in my conclusion, I would say like this platform is most probably a scam, and you should avoid buying currency from this crypto platform. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this review was helpful for you, and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.